Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we have an amazing tutorial for you. We're going to show you how to create a V2Ray VMess server account and set it up on the HTTP Custom app for a super fast and secure internet connection. And guess what? There are hidden tricks to make your setup even better. Want to know more? Check out our blog for exclusive tips. If you're new here, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. All right, let's jump right in. All right, first things first, let's create our V2Ray VMess server. Open your web browser and in the search bar, type UDP Custom, then hit enter. Look for the official UDP Custom website in the search results and click on it. This is where the magic happens. Once you're on the UDP Custom homepage, you'll see a menu button at the top corner. Click it to reveal the options. From the menu, select V2Ray Slow DNS Server. This will let us create a powerful V2Ray server that supports slow DNS. Next, you'll land on the server location selection page. Choose a location close to your region for better speed and performance. Almost there. Now, you will be redirected to the account creation page. Enter a username. Make sure it's unique. Complete the CAPTCHA. We're not bots, right? Click Create Now, and in just a few seconds, your server details will be generated. Boom! You're all set with your V2Ray server. Before we proceed, we must make sure you have the latest version of the HTTP Custom VPN app. Go to the Play Store and search for HTTP Custom. Once you find it, click Install and let it download. After installation, open the app. You'll be greeted by the homepage. Now let's configure the settings. On the homepage, click the V2Ray checkbox to enable it. Tap the plugin icon at the top to open a new window. Select V2Ray Settings. This will take you to another page. Click on the clipboard icon at the top to paste the V2Ray configuration data that you copied earlier from the website. Once the data is added, head back to the home screen and hit Connect. And just like that, you now have a blazing fast, secure internet connection using V2Ray VMess on HTTP Custom. And that's it! You've successfully created a V2Ray VMess server and set it up on HTTP Custom. Super easy, right? If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and share this with your friends. More amazing tutorials are coming soon, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy browsing!